Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the ignition on a Dodge Charger or a Dodge Magnum. It will be the same for the whole generation, I think, from 2000 and probably 5 all the way until 2010. First we need to pull that cover on the side right there. There is, I think, 2 clips holding in, one on top and one on the bottom. So you need to grab and pull it, okay? And that's where the clips are. You can see them. Now, right here we have one screw with a Phillips screwdriver that you will need to remove. And you need to have the steering wheel all the way extended and in down position. And after that there is another screw which is on the bottom. Okay, it is right there. So there is only 2 screws holding that panel now that we need to remove first. Okay, just go ahead and remove it with a Phillips screwdriver. And after that, guys, what you need to do, you need to start pulling it. Okay, you come on this side and you grab and you pull. There is a few clips holding it here and there. So you just need to pull. Okay, and right there as well, there is one on the bottom. And now we need to disconnect the wire for the trunk release right here, so you just need to pull that one out. Okay, and that cover is gone now, it's out of the way. After that, what we need to do, we need to remove, there is 2 more screws right here on the bottom with a Phillips screwdriver, because we need to remove that trim around the instrument cluster. And there is a 3rd one underneath the ignition, which is located right there. As you can see, it's a little bit dark, hopefully you can see. Okay, and what you need to do next, you need to grab it, but be careful not to break it. You need to grab it with your fingers and you need to start pulling. Okay, just like that. You can start it with the screwdriver a little bit if it's too tight, and there is a few clips. Okay, and that air vent, as you can see, ours is broken, so we'll be replacing that one as well. And there is a few more clips there. Okay, and the trim around the key comes out as well, and now you can pull that trim out. Okay, and now we need to remove the wire right here, which there is a red connector that you need to pull to the back and push down. Okay, all you need to do, pull, and then you need to push down and release. Now, in order to access the ignition switch, there is 4 bolts with a 10mm socket that we need to remove. So we can remove that plate. Okay, only one more out of there, guys, as you can see. And now, next thing that we will need to do, there are 2 nuts with 8mm sockets. Okay, remove both of them, one on top, one on bottom. Okay, just like that. And now actually the ignition switch will come down. We'll show now. We need to push it out of the hole there. Okay, you'll be a little stuck. Oh yeah, so you can just go ahead and grab it and pull it out now. Okay, just like that, you can see. And now we have wires that we will need to remove. It's pretty limited room there, but you'll be able to get it out of there. It goes in an angle. Okay, just like that, then it comes down, and now we need to remove the wires and the locking cable. Okay, 1 second so we can show you a little bit better. Okay, right there. First we're going to remove the locking cable, and you need to push down on the notch and pull it out. Okay, once we pull it out, I'll show you exactly where you need to push, because that's very limited room there, guys. Okay, it gets stuck a little bit, so you need to mess with it. Okay. And actually what you need to do, guys, you need to have the key in and turn it off, and you can pull it out. Okay, that's the thing we're talking about. Okay, right there, you need to press down and you pull it to the back. Now we need to unhook the cables. This one, that red thing, needs to come out. Okay, like that. Pull it down and now press and release it once we unhook all of them, guys. I'll show you one by one how to do it, because it's pretty limited room there. Okay, one more. So okay, you can see this one. again, you just push down and pull, and this one, that's how it needs to be as well. Let me see. Okay, right there. You need to pull that red piece to the outside so you can prevent it from locking, and push down here and pull it out. Okay, and this is the ignition switch, guys, right here. Pretty easy to remove, and now we'll show you how to change the locking, the lock inside of it. So stay with us to see how we do that. To move it, you need to turn the key to a certain position that you can press this thing down. Okay, let me show you now. If you go to a specific angle, okay, this key didn't go in all the way, okay, like that. And now you can release it and pull the lock out of it, and you can replace it with the one that you have from another vehicle. So that's how simple it is, guys, to remove it and take it. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.